Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the steps on how you can log in into your OpenSea account on your PC. I'm going to be showing you step-by-step procedure on how you can do it. First thing first, make sure that your device is connected to an internet service and then open up and that is convenient for you. As for this video, I'm using Google Chrome. Open up your web browser. On the search box, type in the link that is www.opensea.com. Then a quick reminder, in order to log in into your OpenSea account, make sure that you already have an account. Only then you'll be able to log in into your OpenSea account. After you type in the link, you'll be taken to the official site and this is how the interface is going to look like. So then to log in into your OpenSea account, click on the profile icon located in the upper right hand side corner of your screen. After you tap on the profile icon, click on the profile option located right on top. Next interface, you need to select the wallet that is connected to your OpenSea account. So then to log in into your account, you need to enter in the passcode. In case you've enabled two-step verification, then you'll need to verify it and then you'll be logged into your account. In this way, you can log in into your OpenSea account. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.